Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to adjust your WhatsApp automatic backups to a weekly schedule. This is a simple process that ensures your messages are safely stored, ready to be restored if you ever need them. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp on your device. Once you're in the app, you'll notice 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to open the menu. From here, select the Settings option. This will take you to a new screen with several options. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Chats. This section is where you manage all your chat-related settings, including backups. Within the Chats menu, you'll see an option labeled Chat Backup. Tap on this to access your backup settings. Now, you're in the Chat Backup section. Here, you can manage how often WhatsApp backs up your messages. Look for the Auto Backup option and tap on it. You'll be presented with a few choices: daily, weekly, or monthly. For this tutorial, we're focusing on setting it to weekly, so select that option. Choosing weekly means that WhatsApp will automatically back up your chats once a week. This is a great option if you don't want daily backups, but still want to ensure your messages are regularly saved. You can also choose to include videos in your backups by toggling the Include Videos option. This is useful if you often share videos with friends or family. Once you've set your backup frequency to weekly, you can review the last backup time and the total size of your backup. This information helps you keep track of when your chats were last saved and how much space they're taking up. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set your WhatsApp backups to occur weekly. This ensures that your messages are safely stored, ready to be restored if you ever need them. Whether you're switching to a new phone or reinstalling WhatsApp, having regular backups can save you a lot of hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave any questions you might have in the comments below.